Hello again to all my cutie click subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, remember to. But I'm coming to you guys with a beautiful wig review from Yolova Hair. Just doing a quick unboxing for you guys, and we will get into the wig details. So this is a beautiful 26-inch body wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and the density is 180%, and the texture is body wave. So the wig does consist of 5 combs, one in the middle, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. It does have adjustable straps as well, and the cap is very well constructed. You guys be sure to use my coupon code if you're interested in this unit. Here is the lace. I will keep it like this. I will not pluck this unit. I want this review to be as quick and simple and beginner friendly as possible. So let's go ahead and prep for install. Right now I'm just adding a little bit of liquid makeup on my cap. I'm not doing any type of ball cap method because that can be a little advanced. And all I'm doing is going to add some medium brown color lace tint spray that I picked up from my beauty supply store. It only needs a few sprays. I actually got this color a little bit lighter. I should have got a slightly darker color, but it's okay. But you just want to let that dry, and look how much better that will match my skin tone versus the HD lace. I'm going to try this Perfect Line Swiss grid filler and knot hider. I just wanted to try something new with this unit. You want to heat up the concealer just a little bit to make it a little bit more easier to spread. And there's plenty of reviews on YouTube about this product, but it basically fills the holes. So because I'm not bleaching this unit to hide the knots, I want to use this product to fill the grid and hide the knots. So hopefully it goes well. This is me just spreading the product where I know I want the scalp to show, and let's see how it goes. I'll put some product around the front of the unit, but I will tell you later on that that was a bad idea. But here is how the grids looked in the front compared to the back. So as you can see, it does look more like skin and the holes are more filled. You just press the product in, and I think it will give me a pretty good result. So side note, this wig fits really great on my head. I have a tiny head, but this is what I wanted to show you guys. You see how I put too much product in the front? Don't be like me, y'all. Don't put that Perfect Line Swiss in the front like that. But more on that later. This wig is so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous and true to length, y'all. Oh my gosh. Now I do notice that the hair is just a bit frizzy. I think it's because of the body wave pattern. All you need to do is just put maybe a little bit of oil or cream leave-in conditioner on it, and the frizz will be tamed. Like, this wig is gorgeous. So I'm just using some even 24-hour edge control wax stick and just laying the hair down. I will go in and flatten it just a bit more with my hot comb, but off the back, this wig lays super flat. So that is one pro with this unit. It does lay flat. In my opinion, it will need some bleaching, plucking, to get it to give you that super laid look. But this is a good beginner wig. You literally don't have to do all that to it if you don't want to. So I'm just laying the hair down a little bit more, but like I said, it already came super flat. So if you want to do this method with a little bit of mousse and a brush, I think that will be fine. This is when it started to sink in that I made a mistake. The product applies much lighter than it looks in the tube, so it didn't look too good, but we'll fix it. So you just want to clean the area that you will lay your lace down. You want to clean it with a little bit of alcohol. Make sure it's clean of makeup and oil. So I'm going in using my Eben Wonder Lace Bond Spray. This is the best. Check it out on my Amazon storefront, link below. But let's go ahead and install this unit. So once everything is cleaned, how I install the unit, I go ahead and spray some product, bond product, on my forehead, let that get tacky, then I lay it down. Sometimes if I feel like I need a bit of an extra hold, I lay it down, then spray more bond spray on top of the lace, if that makes sense. But this time I just go in with 2 layers of the spray and then lay the lace down. So I'm going to attempt to do fancy baby hairs like I see all the girls doing on TikTok. How they bring a little bit of the hair down, like kind of on the sides away from the middle part. Just to give it a more plucked look and give more dramatic baby hairs. So I'm going to tie this down with a silk scarf for about 10 minutes. And I'm just going to pluck the baby hairs because I think I took out a little bit too much hair. I didn't want that much baby hairs. So I'm just going to pluck the baby hair down a little bit, make it a little bit thinner, and then go ahead and cut the baby hair. I just love Eben products. So I'm going in with Eben Edge Control 24-hour edge tamer, and I like to do my baby hair with edge tamer or edge control just because it gives it a softer feel. It's not crunchy or anything, and mousse doesn't work for me, so I definitely use edge control, and it seems to work well, keeps the baby hair nice and soft. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I literally just laid it down, cut the lace and laid it down with a little bit of a lace bond spray. So super, super easy. So of course I always go in and add a little bit of concealer on my middle part just to make it a little bit lighter as if it was my natural scalp. And just brushing this unit out. I will test how this hair curls, but it is super beautiful so far. Did y'all see me? I just worked a little magic. I wish it was that easy. But okay, this hair, it curled very well. It looks very beautiful. It's holding the pattern very well. It's not dropping right away. It is so smooth and shiny. Like if you're planning on recurling this hair, you won't have a problem at all. I didn't even put any product in this hair and it's looking so sleek and so smooth and shiny and bouncy. I am loving it. Let's get into the no-nos. So I should not have applied the Perfect Line Swiss to the front of the unit. Ladies, if you use this product, it's great, but it's not looking too good in the front. It's looking really good for the middle part, but it also interferes with laying the lace down because it's a clay consistency. I hate my pimple, but since that product is a clay consistency, it's not allowing the lace to adhere to my skin. Of course, I should have thought about that, but it's all about trial and error. You may be able to clean that up. I did have to go in and scrub this product out with some hot water and shampoo, but all in all, like I said, trial and error. Next time won't make that mistake. But overall, the wig is beautiful. So that's it, you guys. I am all done. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Remember, the links will be down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and will check out this wig, the link below once again. And y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button, all right? Thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.